dumi ng bahay. Grabe. Yes, cooking barbecue popcorn.
Yeah, we made. This is popcorn. This is popcorn. I like the smell of corn.
Why do you like the smell of corn?
Because it's mustard, but I don't like to eat it.
Why?
Because it tastes yucky.
How do you know it tastes yuck? You haven't even tasted it yet.
Yeah. And deep fry.
Just put butter and salt on it. Make it yummy.
Yeah. Yes, this is where you pop. And camera show you come here. Except you can put these in containers. It can really help you out.
Wow.
Yeah. These ones. Salt. Salty.
Well, Mason, 3 plus 2 equals?
3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 equals...
Okay. Just get ready. Kasi gonna watch a movie today. You okay, Bear? What are you doing? Sit. Okay. Let's go. Hi there.
Hi, Mom.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
What are you watching?
Poro.
Pororo. Pororo.
Because I'm not a baby anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just a big baby.
Mm-hmm. I don't have a baby on my tummy anymore because you're out already.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What are we gonna play next?
Mom, do you like baby Mason?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, he's really cute.
So cute, tiny, cute.
Yeah.
My love.
Yeah, cute.
Baby Mason is my love.
Yeah, he's super cute.
Mm-hmm. Super, super, duper cute.
Yeah.
Are you still cute?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not the mulag.
Nah.
Nah. What you gonna do tomorrow?
To what?
Tomorrow? What are your plans? Do you have plans? What do you want to do?
You gonna play with me?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Good morning. 9:30 na. Go. Good morning. We are heading out. It's Tuesday. We get home, babe. It's raining hard.
Yeah. Internet makes everything download.
Yeah. That's okay. You can watch the other movies without the internet. Can I grab those 9-piece chicken for $10.95, please? And can I grab 5 original and 5 hot and spicy, please? Yeah, and 4 hot and spicy. And yeah, would I be able to like grab most of them thighs, if possible, the drumsticks?
Sorry, one free thighs, right?
Yeah, please, thanks.
Yes, anything else?
That's it, thank you. Okay,
No.
I'm gonna go.
Mom, are you gonna pick me up in the afternoon?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, of course. We'll pick you up at the afternoon side.
Mom, did I have cheese in my school bag?
Yes, mason of cheese. Okay. So today try ko mag meal replacement for like at least a couple of days. Hopefully matuloy-tuloy yung 5 days ng meal replacement lang, walang iba. So ito yun. So pumapatak na 300 calories to kasi nilagyan ko siya ng milk. So mas feeling ko mas okay pag may milk kaysa sa water lang. So okay na yung additional 120 calories. Come on! Get up na! Oh well, no more pressing if you don't brush your teeth. Oh, brush your teeth na. Come on. Oh, I don't like that attitude. That attitude doesn't get present. Oh, you go brush your teeth na. Come on, prove it, prove it, prove it.
Love you, Mom.
Love you, babe. Love you.
Love you.
Mhm.
Others lipstick are gone.
Mhm.
Yes, no.
You hungry?
Are they red?
Yeah, they're red. You hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you wanna eat? What do you wanna eat?
Some
So, do you have bread?
chocolate bread.
Chocolate bread, okay.
Yeah, Mom, and a cross.
Okay.
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
I want to watch Poro.
Okay.
I'm very bored. I'm bored now.
You bored now?
Bored.
Why are you bored?
I need to watch. And I want you to make me chocolate bread.
Yeah. Okay na, let's go. Clever. And so.
I want that
Rice and that one. Daddy will still look what I have. So kami sa ramen place. Sa ano ba tawag dito? Sushi
And
train.
I got a Batman shirt.
Instead of that. Because why?
Asuka.
Because you suka. Gusto mo ng ramen?
Mom, what is takoyaki?
Ay, hindi. Takoyaki.
What is takoyaki? Mom, what
Octopus balls.
takoyaki?
Takoyaki.
Don't use too much salt.
Thank you. Papa. Big one. Sorry. Eel and salmon. But para saan yung trying?
Have lots of experiences with that, do you, Mado? Just trying to diffuse
Wala. Makulit. Papalo sa puwet. Kailangan sa puwet. Uy, maganda to. I like this.
I like.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. I want that.
Hindi nag-please. Nag-please siya? Did you say please?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Yeah.
Did you say please and thanks? Are you relaxing while you play? Hmm? What are you playing? Is that a maze? Are you expert in maze? Press, I'm using my own bag. Okay, go. Go! That's okay. It's just funny. He insisted on doing it himself, so that's okay. Okay, go. Hurry up! People over there.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's fine. Then over there. Is that all? Is that all?
I can grab that one.
Oh, thank you.
Please place item in bag alone quantity. Select payment type. Quantity, have a 5 ice card.
0.
Scan it now.
You know, meron
Shit.
kang ano ba?
24 hours later. Yes, and can you put your Lego back, please?
Okay, but they're gonna get right.
That's okay. Just put it back. Put it back. Come on. Then we'll play with the cars.
Okay, we're just gonna put them in this.
Mhm.
We can't break them.
Mhm.
Mom,
Yeah.
I like the pink house on
Yeah.
for you.
Mhm. I do like it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Do you like put it? Do you like that?
Mhm.
And do it this.
Yes. Yes. Just put it back now. And lid.
Love you, Mom.
Love you, babe. And where does that go?
Top.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
You can put that up top.
Mhm. You put it on? What are you doing, Mason?
Taking off these
What are those?
eggs.
You finish? Finish it?
Yeah.
Mason, peel that. That's it.
Are we gonna cook more?
Hammer. Oh, saw. And a spanner. Right. Let's go. There you are.
Thank you so much, Fix It Funding.
No problem, Thomas.
We'll be back after this ad.
Do you like that symbol? Small foot! Mom, small foot is here!
Small foot.
You're here!
Oh my god.